More fresh powder on the way. In fact, we have several chances to see accumulating snow across parts of the region, and every single storm we're tracking promises a little bit of something for everyone. Starting with Thursday morning storm. So this one moving in tonight, leading to, well, unsettled conditions, slippery travel for our Thursday morning. By Friday night, here comes another shot of snow, but this one promises to impact points south of Philadelphia, so South Jersey along the Jersey Shore. And then Sunday morning, the GFS model is signaling we could see something, but right now that signal remains relatively weak. So let's go ahead and take a look at our first snow chance, which happens later on tonight and into tomorrow. It does start off as rain, so on the onset of the system, it will be warm enough that a lot of us will start off with a little bit of rain, and then as cold air begins to move in, that's going to allow for this precip to transition into periods of snow. And by 6 a.m. in the morning, just about everyone is seeing a little something. And notice as we move the clock forward, it's all snow, and then it's out of here as early as 1 o'clock. How much snow are we talking? Anywhere between 1 to 3 inches, especially Philadelphia, I-95 points south and east. Our immediate suburbs out towards the west, that's where we could see 1 to 3. So it's not a whole lot of snow, but it will be enough to coat the roads and make things slippery for your Thursday morning commute. Light but steady snow, that's what we'll be tracking for tomorrow morning. And then an Arctic blast of air begins to move in as we approach Thursday, and that'll send our temperatures down into the teens by Thursday night.
Turning back to the weather right now, the rain continues to fall along the Italian Market in South Philadelphia. This is a live look from 9th and Hall. You can see the rain dripping from the awnings there. Larissa's over the big screen. So, Larissa, the question everyone is asking is, when are we going to see this snow?
I want to say in the next hour, hour and a half, Philadelphia will begin to see some snow. If you find yourself north and west, you're already beginning to see a little bit of wintry stuff falling from the sky. And here's why. These are the areas that are currently below freezing, specifically up towards the Poconos, where temperatures are sitting at 28 degrees. We're hovering just above freezing. Jim Thorpe to Allentown, out towards Lansdale, Doylestown, still a little too warm. They're at 38 degrees. But this is what it looks like right now, Storm Scan 3. A lot of this stuff is taking its time to get down to the surface, so the areas of blue that you see looking a little more ominous than what's actually going on outdoors right now. The closer you are to Philadelphia, it is all rain, so yes, you will need that umbrella on your way out the door this morning. Now, the steadiest snow is expected to fall between the hours of 7 and 11 a.m. That's when we will be seeing accumulating snow here in Philly, across our surrounding suburbs as well, extending out towards South Jersey, Delaware, 1 to 3 inches. That's about it. So it is a low impact storm in terms of accumulation, but in terms of the time, this is why things could get tricky. Look at 7:30, a mess out there with rain and even a wintry mix along I-95. Some snow points north and west, and as we continue to move the clock forward, if 9:30 is the time you head out your home, just plan for some snow that could fall heavy at times, and this is going to be that wet, heavy snow as opposed to the fluffy and that thinner snow. So, Jim, I'll send it back to you with that.
Thank you, Larissa.